It's that time of year when magic is in the air, and all you have to do is believe. I'd like to give you a gift today, and all you have to do is believe in yourself, believe in your ability to control the mind games that are going on in your head. Let's play one together, and I'll teach you a way to use it to do away with the stress that you might feel from shopping or finances or family, or wouldn't you like a nice respite? Let's do that now. So if you're at a place where you can close your eyes, I'll ask you to do that. But if you're driving or operating heavy machinery, listen to this another time. If you can close your eyes, go ahead and close your eyes down now. And think of a magical, wonderful place. Maybe it's a place you've been to before. Maybe it's a place completely in your imagination. A calm, relaxing, beautiful place. Just imagine that beautiful place for a moment and enjoy it. And when you have that in your mind, touch your finger and thumb together. Press your finger and thumb on either hand together and just hold it for a moment as you think of that very special, wonderful place. Now take in a nice deep breath and relax your hand. And once again, think about, imagine that wonderful, wonderful place, that place in your mind that's just for you. Calming, relaxing. Now embellish that place a bit. Make the colors brighter. Make the sounds bolder. If it's silence, make it even more quiet. This is your place. Make the sounds, the sights, the smells, the tastes, embellish it all. And once you've made all the changes, embellished it, and made it real in your mind, touch your finger and thumb together again. Press them together and anchor in that thought. Oh, splendid. Smell the smells. Taste the tastes. Listen. Notice the colors. Notice how good it feels. Now take in a nice deep breath and relax your hand. And one more time, go back to that now embellished place of yours. Go back to it, and this time step into it. Be there, be surrounded, full 3D of that wonderful, magical place that you've created just for you. Wonderful place. Step into it, be in it. And once you are fully immersed in it, touch that thumb and finger together again and anchor it in. Anchor it in. This is your place, a place just for you. When you're ready, take in another nice deep breath. And as you let it go, relax your hand. And when you're ready, slowly, calmly open your eyes. Now, we just anchored in a magical place for you, a very magical, calming, wonderful place for you. Wouldn't it be nice to be there when stress hits, when family drama occurs? You now have it at the tips of your fingers. Believe in the magic. This is an anchor, and we anchored in that wonderful place many years ago. Roy Hunter demonstrated this technique on me. And the place I came up with is the front porch of a resort in Jamaica. I can clearly see the turquoise cushion. I can clearly see fresh fruit out on the table. And I can clearly see the plants around me, the smells, the warmth of the air. It's a magical place for me. And whenever I need it the most, I touch my thumb and finger together, and I can be back there just like that. You might use it standing in a long line shopping. You might use it at home when family gets on your nerves, wouldn't it be nice to be there at the table and just calmly touch that thumb and finger together? Be there in that place. You know, we're always playing mind games. So why not play a mind game that really works for you? Take yourself to a place that you enjoy being in your mind. You don't have to deal with the drama. Take a vacation, rest, take a breath. And you'll notice that when you come back, whether it's 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or a couple of seconds, when you come back, you feel so much better, so much lighter, and so much more in control. We're always playing mind games. So why not believe that you can create the mind that works for you? Happy holidays. I'm Karen Hand. I'm a board certified hypnotist, and I am delighted to help you through these times of stress and trials and tribulations. Have a happy holiday.